So, okay, the point, let me finish this because this is a long, long story. I told you it was a long story, so that's why I separated it into shorter parts instead of giving you one long video. So if you was interested and you continue watching, here's the meat of the matter. I showed up for the hearing on March 10th, the Zoom hearing, and as scheduled, and the court proceeded to tell me that the the matter was withdrawn because my mommy didn't need a guardian anymore. But they missed the point. So, it's okay. I had to email the court to find out what to do next because I wasn't finished with the matter. The court has not responded to me yet. I need to hire a legal defense team for my mom's situation that includes a criminal attorney for the guardian, who I have mounds of evidence, substantial evidence, including video recorded statement from my mommy's mouth that this woman was feeding her pork on purpose, cooking it for her at her house, bringing it to her, knowing she had high blood pressure, which led her to having a stroke and declining before eventually dying. Many people are responsible for my mother's eventual death, beginning with the guardian, who lied to the court to obtain guardianship of my mom. The court is also responsible for not checking the documents that she submitted to them. And just giving her complete control over somebody's life, and you don't even check to see if what they put on the paper is true. I mean, how do you let that happen? Jesus. The rehab center is also responsible because again, it all comes back to her. She sent her to the one-star rehab center. I'm sure they did not give her anti-seizure medication because she hadn't had a seizure at the hospital for like 3 weeks. Then they sent her there. All of a sudden, she has a seizure. She was only there for 2 nights, and then she has to be rushed back to the hospital in worse condition than she was before she got sent there. So the quality of care was not considered in the choice for the rehab center that the guardian selected for my mom. The closeness to her house was more important than the quality of care for my mom. Who else is responsible? The judge for not addressing my begging. I begged this man. I told him I was desperate for him to hear what I had to say. All I need was 5 minutes. I wasn't going to try and present all this evidence if he didn't want to hear it. All you need to do is look at one sheet of paper that said this woman signed and said that my mama had no children. What am I? Nobody paid attention to any of these documents. That would have proven that this guardian gained guardianship fraudulently and that she preyed on my mama when she was in the hospital years ago. According to my mama's video, she said she met this woman in the hospital passing out flyers about her business. She's telling certain members of my family who listened to her that she found my mommy trying to run across the freeway, trying to commit suicide. And she picked her up and saved her life, took her to the hospital. Nothing but lies. My mama wouldn't even drive on the freeway. What the hell she looked like trying to run across a freeway and kill herself? My mama ain't never tried to kill herself in her life because I asked her. I have pictures that prove obvious neglect of my mom's health. Pictures of her hair matted to her head. If you're a guardian, how'd you let that happen? Pictures of her toenails. It looked like she'd been living in a cave for years. I had pictures of this that I was ready to show the judge, but he didn't care to take 5 minutes to look at one sheet of paper, one piece of evidence that would have sent this woman someplace that she needed to be, other than free, for lying on government documents. And who knows who else she's done this to. I want her stopped. Nobody cared to follow up on the information given by a person just like that, a strange person. So hopefully what I need to do is start a GoFundMe account to hire criminal attorneys. I need criminal attorneys, and I'm going to need some powerful ones, because all these people who are involved, I want to sue them all. Okay? And it ain't just about, it's not about getting money, it's about getting justice for my mom. My mom should still be here celebrating, getting ready to celebrate her 77th birthday on April 2nd, and she's not here because of this. Hopefully, whoever sees this, even if you don't decide to give to the GoFundMe account once I set it up, if you just share this with everybody that you know, on your Facebook page and off your Facebook, friends with Facebook friends or general public. Just share this with everybody, because every time I told somebody about my mama's situation, I hear people say, it's a movie about that. And I heard so many people tell me that it's a movie about that. It's on Netflix. I ain't never had Netflix in my life, but I've ordered Netflix so I could watch this movie and see what all these people was telling me was true. And it was. The name of the movie is called I Care a Lot. I Care a Lot. And it's on Netflix. Watch that movie. That movie is so close to my mama's situation. The guardian preying on the elderly people, getting all of their assets and stealing, putting them in homes and playing with their medications and making them seem like they got dementia. My mama didn't have no dementia, but that's the lie she told the people who would listen to her. I knew better. But anyway, so once I set this thing up, hopefully you will contribute, or if you don't contribute, at least share this video or part of the video. I know it's long, but share the last part so the people can see what my goal is. I mean, I'm sorry I went a little bit long, but I had to express this. And I'm sorry. Y'all know I ain't never did no live video before on Facebook in my life, period. So this right here, we talking about my mama. We talking about my mommy, man. My mommy is gone. Unbelievable. And I'm sure this is probably not the first time that this woman has done something like this, but she got away with it. Yeah, but this time, hopefully with your help, with y'all help of sharing this video, or y'all can call me. If you want me to show you the proof that I have, whoever contacts an attorney, if you have a friend who's an attorney, a good criminal attorney, because I want this woman to fry. I mean, vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. Yes, Lord, I know you're going to take care of it. And I ain't trying to do nothing illegal. So I want to go about this the right way, but I need your help, okay? I don't have the money to pay for great criminal attorneys to stop this woman from doing this to anybody else. This has destroyed my life. I never thought I'd be here without my mom. Y'all pray for me, please. I'm sorry.